Hey my sisters, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you guys this flawless makeup look, and I only used 3 brushes and 3 products to achieve this flawless complexion. So if you guys are interested in how I achieved this look, then of course just continue to watch. So we're starting off with bare skin, guys. I'm starting off with skincare. So I took my Lancome CRX Triple Serum Retinol. Now this has 3 major serums, I believe vitamin C, retinol, and I'm gonna say hyaluronic acid. And I've been loving this just because it's so hydrating. You can already see what it's done to my skin. Such a really good product, guys. So I've been using this as my serum. So you guys see how it just really blended into my skin. And then to top it off with a moisturizer, I'm going in with my Elmis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Again, love this stuff. Super hydrating, especially in these winter seasons. I love starting off a makeup look with such hydrated skin. So these two have been doing wonders for my skin. Now, I did skip my primer today, guys, because I didn't catch it on camera, but I'm going to show you guys the makeup. So I'm taking my 3 brushes and my 3 products. We're starting off with the Maybelline Lifter Stick in the shade 70 and the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. This is going to be our base. This is going to be our foundation. So we're going to start off with the outer area of the skin, guys. So that's like our cheek area. And we're just going to create a few lines on the face. So you guys see here, and then you don't want to swipe, guys. Do not swipe. You want to dab this into the skin. Now this is why skin prep was so important, because this product is going to melt into the skin. When you're using any type of stick, foundation, stick product, you definitely want to make sure that your skin is well moisturized and prepped. So you can see here, I'm just doing the same thing for the other side. And again, we're not swiping, we're dabbing this product into the skin. It will literally disappear. So with stick formulations, you won't get that full coverage off the bat. So you're still gonna see some of your imperfections peeping through. Like for me, you could still see just some parts peeping through, and you do want to avoid your eyes, guys. But around my mouth is my problem area, so I'm going to go in with a second layer just around that area to give me just a bit more coverage. So like I said, you're not going to get a full coverage with one layer, so if you do need to just add another layer for the coverage, you can definitely do that. All right, so this is how the skin is looking. Base is super flawless. Love how it came out. So I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Lifter Stick in the shade 55, and we're going to pair that with the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. Now with this, you can either apply it straight from the product like this. So I'm just going to apply a bit to my under eyes to show you guys. And I love this because it's a bit lighter. This is what's going to help brighten my under eyes. And then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush and blend that out. And again, these sticks are super easy to use, guys. I actually really love using this during this winter season because they're so easy to use. Now you can use it like this as well. So you want to use your brush and just take some of that product off. And I'm using it like that to just add a bit more coverage underneath my eyes and just make sure that I'm covering those dark under eyes. And you don't want to forget your lids as well, as those tend to be dark. If you do have dark eyelids, you definitely want to conceal those as well. So I'm just taking that product onto the brush and just applying it onto the eyelids. So with my forehead, Cupid's bow, my chin, and then down the bridge of my nose, I'm just going to apply this product as well, and we're just going to blend it out as usual. Nothing new here. You guys know, you guys should know the steps by now. All right, so the last lifter stick I'm going to use is the Maybelline Lifter Stick in the shade 85 and the e.l.f. Contouring Brush. So here we're bringing back the natural contours to our skin. So I like to apply it on the forehead, on the cheekbone, and down the jawline. So these are the 3 points that you want to make sure that you're contouring. And then you also want to do down the bridge of your nose. This is going to help with your nose contour. So these are the areas that you want to contour. So taking the e.l.f. contouring brush, we're going to blend that into the forehead. So you want to blend it towards your temple, towards your hairline. And that's just going to give the illusion of just some contour to your skin. Everyone has contours. You do not look flat. There are areas on your face that really are darker than your complexion. So you just want to just mimic that. Again, I love these lifter sticks because they're so easy to blend out. Such a beginner-friendly product, and you can use it for just about anything. They have it in multiple shades. So you can see how the cheekbone is carving out. All right, and then taking the side of that brush, I'm just gonna blend out the nose contour. You guys are seeing in real time, I didn't speed this up, so this is how easy these products are to blend out. All right, so I'm going back in with my foundation brush and we're just gonna go over everything. All I'm doing is dabbing everywhere. And this is what's going to kind of bring everything together so that there's no harsh lines. Everything is blending and mixing well together. And that is how we get a flawless complexion. Now, you guys know we need to set with powder. So I'm going in with the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. And I'm gonna pair that with the BK Beauty 102 Large Powder Brush. So I'm just gonna dip into this and I'm applying this everywhere, guys, everywhere. This is what's going to set, lightly set at that. This is what's gonna lightly set this makeup and just keep it in place. Now, if you are dry skin, you are open to skipping this step because the sticks are very hydrating. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush. So I'm taking my NYX Buttermelt blush in the shade All the Butter, and I'm pairing that with my Real Techniques blush brush. And this just added a really nice flush of color to the look. Now for your eyelids, you can see I'm creasing here. I went back in with my concealer brush, and then I'm gonna dip into the same Soft Focus powder by Black Radiance and just like a normal eyeshadow brush, and we're just going to set the eyelids. We don't want those to be creasing, so literally everywhere we placed those lifter sticks, we want to set it with a powder, especially a lightweight powder. So now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder. And this is what's gonna give me a bit of brightness underneath the eyes while also setting them as well. So all I'm taking is my Velour Puff and we're just dabbing that powder in until it disappears. I did go in with a second layer just for that extra brightness underneath the eye. And then I did apply it on the other areas. So my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and my chin as well. All right, so this step is optional, guys. I wanted to pop on my Ardell Wispies to just complete this look, but you can just go in with mascara if you'd like for this step. I know you guys are asking for an eyelash tutorial that is coming up, but let's move on to the lips. So I'm taking my MAC lip liner in the shade Chestnut, my go-to. And then I'm gonna pair that with my e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in the shade Honey Talks. This is such a nice nude glossy finish. Love, love, love how this complemented the look. And then of course, to finish off, we're gonna go in with the imanileemariee Yummy Skin Liquid Blurring Balm. Guys, I love this stuff. This kept me matte all day. I got a lot of compliments for this look because of how natural it came out. So that is about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, natural makeup look. I know you guys love my natural, my quick, easy, beginner-friendly makeup look. So this was like the perfect video to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.